Yeah.
Naveen Kumar sir, what made you to support We Women Entrepreneur?
I think we is already a association where a lot of entrepreneurs are there, and I belong to finance and insurance industry. After pandemic, we realized that there is a lot of scope of expansion, and we look forward entrepreneurs being part of this industry. So I'm looking forward meeting them, seeing them, and look forward how to can be part of our industry.
What message do you want to give women entrepreneurs?
I had a small session with them and I realized that probably I don't have to give a message, but I have to take message from them. I'm really excited to see the kind of diverse profile and the kind of personality what they are. And I just want to wish them all the best for what they're doing.
And sir, we found a Chetari ji के बारे में आपको क्या?
Me and Chaitali ji are known for last 2 years, and I think first time when she walked into my office and I realized the purpose what she has got of building this V platform and helping individuals, and I think that's a single goal what she keeps. Always, I look forward speaking to her and helping her.
What are your future plans to work with you?
I'm looking forward for my presentation first for today, and if thing goes well, I'll be part of it, and I look forward how do I associate closely and help people meeting their objective.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What made you to support We?
We has been a very encouraging platform for women. Being a woman entrepreneur myself, a brief introduction. I'm Maria Samuel, an avid media professional, an image consultant, and now the director of the only company in India which is reintroducing winter sports, that is skiing and snowboarding in India. Being a woman entrepreneur, I am so excited to be part of this We group where I have been meeting people, women from various walks of life coming forward, and it's been an amazing experience to be part of this group.
How did you came to know about We?
I met Chaitali and she wanted me to be part of this group because she was very interested to be knowing more about Gulmarg Ski Academy and what I've been doing. And when I shared it to her, she said that my women counterpart should also know about it, explore new dimensions in life, and know more about what winter sports is and can be in the near future.
What are your expectations from We?
Well, I look we as a platform where I look forward for more and more women from different walks of life to come forward to explore new opportunities, connecting to new people. And of course, Chaitali is doing an awesome job of bringing women together, and that is like an amazing job. And now, with the world becoming smaller and smaller, I'm looking at Chaitali going global, and we, of course, along with Gulmarg Ski Academy, going around places. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. What made you to support We Women Entrepreneur Enclave?
Basically, let me thank WEE and Chaitali and Meenu Verma for really giving me a privilege to be part of it. Alphabet C has played a major role in 2019, 2020 and as such, but Alphabet C Chaitali has been doing a remarkable thing which she has started doing it. So COVID showed us what a woman is, but Chaitali told us what woman was and what women should be. So though the C COVID was realized now, but Chaitali C realized woman before that only, because she herself used to work, and then after the first child she took a sabbatical and she never got that job back. That moved her to start and be an entrepreneur. So the hardship what she went through, she never wanted other women to go through, hence she said let me start, and charity begins at home, and she believed in that phrase. So she started, and here we are, and I'm proud to be part of it, and this is why I got associated We at Bright.
What message do you want to give to women entrepreneurs?
See, the message as such, the first teacher is mother, माँ. माँ को मैं क्या बोलूँगा? They have to tell us. So the woman herself knows. The only thing is that we need to support them and say that we are there in this treacherous world, because woman starts with wo and ends with men. So I can't give any suggestion or thing.
What are your future plans to work with we?
There are no future plans as such. Once you are in the success story, you are part of it. So the way the flow goes, the wherever they want our input and our help, we are always there.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You are the jury for today's V Awards. Can you throw light on the process and your experience?
Wonderful. Hi everybody, this is Riddhi Doshi Patel, and I'm a practicing child psychologist and a mental health practitioner. I have been one of the jury members, and believe me, the process has been really very, very exciting, very authentic, and wonderfully planned by Chaitali. Kudos to her, the way she has planned the whole process for the awards and all. I mean, I've never come across somebody who is so authentic. While Chaitali is working so much for women entrepreneurs, one message for all the entrepreneurs who are going to listen to this video message of mine. Be there for yourself, trust yourself, and love yourself. I'm sure you can do wonders in the world of entrepreneurship. Thank you.
फाउंडर चैताली जी के बारे में आपका क्या?
Oh, she's a wonder woman. Chaitali is a wonder woman. She has been working really good for supporting women entrepreneurs. I mean, hats off to her efforts.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, when you plan a startup, और WEE बहुत खूबसूरती से ये निभाता है और हर उस लड़की को पूरा सपोर्ट देता है. So if your endeavor is into finance, they will connect you with people who are related to finance. I think that's phenomenal. And यहाँ पर जो beautiful stalls हमने लगाए हैं, most of them of course lot to do with clothes, attires, creativity, innovation, jewelry, everything got to do with, you know, the female stuff that we love to shop. So I'm going to request you all कि आप सब भी please इन्हें support कीजिए, इन्हें प्रोत्साहित कीजिए, just by being a part of it, by shopping something जो हम वैसे भी करते हैं. But why not come and really encourage and empower these beautiful girls? So मैं WE से यही कहना चाहूँगी, आप बहुत खूबसूरती से काम करते हैं. अब हम भी आपको जितना हो सके साथ देना चाहेंगे. So thank you for allowing me to be a part of it.
Last question, ma'am. Any special message for Chaitali Didi?
Yes, of course. चैताली दीदी, आपसे जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि जो आप कर रहे हो व्यूअर्स के लिए. So today आज यहाँ पर ग्रैंड अनवीलिंग हो रहा है, लॉन्च हो रहा है. That is WEE Weavers. So where they're going to go to the interiors, and of course cities में हमें opportunities मिलती है, but what about those who stay in small towns, in villages? So जो हमारे weavers हैं villages में, उनके पास जाकर उन्हें exposure देकर, you know, how to go ahead and sell the garment on a direct basis so that they can earn some profits, some better profits. So ये जो काम आज हम launch कर रहे हैं, तो मैं ढेर सारी बधाई देना चाहूँगी चैताली. You do phenomenal work and I'm really proud of you. Not just me, all of us are extremely proud of WEE, the organization that truly makes a woman complete. So thank you Chaitali and congratulations on the grand launch. इसके अलावा एक और surprise है. Of course we do have the awards, but there's also yet another surprise to be announced. For that I'll have to wait and watch, which is in the next 1 hour. So thank you and lots of love to you. My name is Simran Ahuja. Truly delighted to be here.
What made you to support we?
I have been genuinely following Chaitali since more than 6 years, and I am seeing, being a part of jury, how minutely she has actually gone to the root level and seen each and every woman entrepreneur, and she's made sure that she supported the right woman. As she also went to the rural area, she started now in Singapore, Australia, so she touches the rural also and the international, and she connects the urban ladies and genuinely helps and support women. Friends, amazing thing happens when a woman supports woman entrepreneur, and that's what Chaitali has been doing continuously since 6 years. Yes, dear.
What message do you want to give to women entrepreneurs?
I would like to tell all the women entrepreneurs that yes, speak up for the truth. Never you will hear that Chaitali was quiet during a wrong issue. Don't be diplomat. Our silence is the one which is supporting the wrong people to do wrong things. Speak up, be inspired by Chaitali, and never you will hear that she was silent and supporting the rural area, which is amazing. I saw the stuff which they are selling. They've made everything with their hand, and how passionately they are selling their stuff. Please buy and encourage, and she's launched an e-commerce platform also. So it is the connection of all 3 areas of the world. So Chaitali, you are doing a wonderful job. Being a jury, I got to know you more and the process more. That was amazing.
वी फाउंडर चैताली जी के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
चैताली की स्माइल ही सब कुछ बोल देती है। वो कितनी ऑथेंटिक है, हमको उनकी स्माइल देख के पता चल जाता है कि इधर भी वो सबको इतने इक्वल तरीके से ट्रीट करती है, वेदर वो कहीं से भी आई हुई हो वो लेडी या वो बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी भी हो, सबके साथ उनका प्यार एकदम बराबर का है और वो सबको एकदम बराबर सपोर्ट करती है। उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी ही के कारण वो आज है जो जहाँ है वो। थैंक यू।
कैमरा देखना,
यहाँ पे देखना है?
हाँ कैमरा रोलिंग।
Yeah, Kalyani ma'am, tell me something about you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Kalyani Kamble. I am a visioneering coach. I am the founder of Visioneering Life and the co-founder of Prescient Strategist. Visioneering Life and Prescient Strategist are training and coaching firms, and we conduct coaching sessions for business owners. We use NLP for mind programming techniques to install the success mindset amongst business owners so that they realize their true potential. We also work with corporates and conduct breakthrough trainings like firework, glass walk, iron rod bending. Again, some powerful and thrilling techniques because learning should be fun and it should help people realize their potential.
Okay, ma'am, since when you are associated to we and anything you want to talk about Chaitali?
Definitely. So I have been associated with We since the beginning of the We itself. I am very happy and fortunate that I know Chaitali for such a long time, and we started in this place in Marol, and I remember the very first meeting before its launch. I was there for that meeting, and since then I have been associated with We. I have been associated with Chaitali, and of course, what should I say about Chaitali? She's such an amazing and dynamic woman with such an entrepreneurial spirit, and I think she has this dream to empower women. What she's doing right now is simply commendable. She's a dear friend and almost someone I look upon and admire. So I wish Chaitali all the best, and I feel really blessed to know her.
Kalyani ma'am, message to all the women entrepreneurs.
Message to all the women entrepreneurs is number one, believe in yourself. Pursue your dreams. Don't ever stop working. That is your biggest power. Whatever skill you have, you can convert that into your passion. So believe in yourself and learn to set boundaries for yourself because you are meant to fly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.